Hello everybody. I'm out taking another ride. Beautiful day. Hopefully your day's going good. I hope people that watch my videos get motivated to get out, enjoy life, get exercise, take the time to take your children out and have them learn new things, experience new things, leave a lasting legacy. Because when we're gone, our children are going to need to be not just educated in schools on life, but educated on what life really entails, the struggles, the stresses. I try to instill in my children a little bit of everything. How to survive with nothing. Know that nothing's promised. And you have to keep going and work hard and keep at it. When life kicks you down, get back up and keep moving. Anybody watching this, just remember, don't give up. Keep at it. I've noticed a lot of things getting older. You can have a great job, all the money in the world, but happiness is free. You can make your own happiness. I have things, I'm doing pretty good, but that's not enough in life. You have to have happiness. And whatever that happiness may be, whether it be biking, hiking, kayaking, painting, whatever you like to do. Start a vlog, start a YouTube channel. Do it. Don't wait, do it. Never give up, just keep going. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost to 700. It's been a long, hard journey, but I enjoy doing it. I hope you guys enjoy coming along with my family and I. I hope your life is good. Just remember, everything happens for a reason. Life's gonna throw you curveballs, but just keep going, keep moving forward. Every day's a gift. Enjoy it.